Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started, okay? We got super creators assemble, okay? And I peeked in a little bit. I wanted to see what was going on. This one landed on my desk. It's got some good, it's feeling right. I like what I'm seeing, so I'm bringing this one out. And I'm also doing this one as a free money bag alert. Those who are tapped in on my money bag alerts, I'll be calling those fire plays, and we get in the green. This one's going to be a free money bag alert to get some awareness out on this project. And best believe that it still counts as a legit money bag alert. Pay attention, okay? We got Genesis. 2,222 creators were sent to Earth, to planet Earth, by 7 divine energies to create peace on earth during the dark ages. 1,111 divine masculine and 1,111 divine feminine super creators were chosen to fulfill a higher purpose. To complete their mission, they are gifted with unique and special powers. I like this already. Okay, so we got the NFTs. They're going to be different ones, and I like that they have male and female. Notice that some other NFTs, they made them all male, and I think they kind of messed up on that because you kind of X yourself out of a whole nother market of people coming in, okay? That's just the truth. Let's keep it real. So we got legendary. Scriptures tell of 7 legendary super creators. In history, the appearance of these divine energies has always resulted in momentous positive change. Only seekers on the path of enlightenment have the potential to awaken one of these legendary super creators. Rumor has it that these legendary divine energies can only be evoked when all 7 energy centers have been acquired and activated. What could the awakening of one of these legendary beings bless you with? We shall see, okay? Now we got the babies right here, so this is pretty interesting. We got when the divine feminine and the divine masculine. That's smart right there to have the babies come. That's smart right there. That's nice because it keeps engagement. So whoever wrote this out right here, this is good. Shout out to the person who came up with the utility, or the team that came up with the utility on this. I like this. It keeps you engaged all the way along, okay? So we got babies. When the divine feminine and the divine masculine rekindle, a divine connection is formed. These two beings can fuse their manifestation energies for 90 days to create a new divine creation. 5,555 of these divine fusions are destined to be manifested to aid in the mission, along with the original 2,222 super creators. I'm gonna tell you, when they're coming out with 2 batches like this, they already know that the first one's gonna sell out. Most people don't even think about a second batch. This is I like this right here. And if you like this one, of course, it's not financial advice. If you like this project and you like what you see, it's not out yet. Make sure you get one of the early ones. And, if you get one of these, nice, but get one of the lower ones for sure right away. Okay. Because that's going to be very lucrative for you. So we got, what do we have right here? Okay. We got phase 0. The divine super creators are getting ready to descend on earth with their superpowers, right? We got phase 1. Some of the super creators are divine male, while some are divine females. 49 super creators have activated their powers locked within their chakras and are now beyond gender. If you are lucky enough to assemble a full set of 7 creators with activated chakras from the root to crown, head to toe, then you might be able to open the divine portals to the legendary realms. Universal laws dictate that there can only be 7 lucky humans in the entire world that will ever have the opportunity to own one of these portals. That's crazy right there. And again, this is, whoever did this, shout out to you, because this keeps engagement all through this, nonstop. This is what an NFT project should be looking like. This is nice. Shout out to them. Okay, we got, where were we at? Right, so universal laws dictate, right? Boom. Okay, so now we're right here. 22 creators are unique avatars that have incarnated as humans. These 22 are leaders who have built up significant followings along their journeys to spread love, light, and positivity in the world. That's all we do over here on this channel. You guys know what's up. I want everybody to experience the abundance of money, and I truly mean that. I've been working on some things behind the scene. Trust me, I know it's been slow for a couple of days, but there's a reason behind it. I'm never really sleeping when it comes to everybody that's subscribed to the channel. So if you're not, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you got that bell notification lit up. You guys do not want to miss out on everything that's going to be coming in 2022, okay? I got some big surprises for you guys. We got each of the super creators will be sent to different parts of the earth to share superpowers in the meta and physical world. Okay, so we got phase 2. These divine beings with superpowers are also able to give you access to Super Creator Academy. More utility. I like this. So there, we got some kind of school going on. That's where that the meta land's gonna come, and physical world. So this tells me a classroom in the meta world and a classroom in real life. I like this. Remember, our divine parents from phase 1 can have multiple children with different superpowers. The first divine being can be born after 90 days of the divine parent being together. So this, we got staking right here. Okay, so 90 days. That means you're gonna be staking this. I'm assuming that right now, right? That is some form of staking that NFT for those 90 days, and then you can have that happen, okay? Have the baby. From the same parent, a second child can be born after 60 days, okay? Of the firstborn, and from the third child onwards. The divine parents can have a baby every 30 days. Max limit of 5,555. That's interesting. Whoever has that parent, they can do that. That's pretty crazy. I want to see more about this. Okay, because this is pretty new, and things that disrupt the market, they do something, okay? And when I just don't understand everything completely, but I can see that the team is on something, they got utility behind this, that means to me that there's something going on that's going to disrupt the market, that's going to do something with the metaverse right now. But there's something going on right here. Just like Bitcoin disrupted the market, you got to look out for those things. Just like the .com bubble did it, you know, when www.com came out, you guys need to watch out for that. So this is another phase of that. This whole 2022 is going to be a phase of new things coming out with the metaverse and NFTs, VR and whatnot. So let's see what we got for phase 3. We got in phase 1, 49 super creators with activated chakras traveled around the world. In phase 3, the 49 will cover the 7 sets of 7. What does this mean? Exactly. What does that mean? Let's see what they say. These are the 7 unique chakras: root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. 7 times 7, 49. This means that there will... Where are we at? Let me see my mouse. Okay, this means that there will only be 7 unique collector superpowers who will gather all 7 chakras to form the unique set. With the merging of each set, 7 legendary divine protectors will descend on Earth. These divine beings are the most powerful of all and will open up the portals to the physical and meta world, okay? So we got some big players right here. Let's see what else we got. We got phase 4. The super creators will create a universe for themselves in the meta world, where they can continue with their mission of spreading love, peace, and harmony. I like this. This is right up the alley of this channel. You guys know what's up, man. I got nothing but love and respect for everybody. We're going to eat this here. This is the year right here, okay? We got all super creators will have access to our meta land. Those that unlock the legendary super creator will have some unique benefits that will only be revealed later, okay? So let's keep us on our edge, right? We got phase 5. The super creators will have special access to land of creators. In phase 3, the 49 will cover the 7 sets of 7. What does this mean? The creators of the land will be placed where you go beyond your limitations and enjoy the freedom, the peace and bliss with every breath you take. I like the sound of that. Blissfulness, man. That's the best right there. Okay, we got at the end of every year, all the super creators will convene at the Super Creators Congress for 3 days to protect the metaverse. This is interesting. I like this. This is new right here. This is what you want. Disrupting the market, something that gets people intrigued, engaged, and asking questions, because I'm asking questions. So have the team reach out to me, or the community if you guys are tapped in with them. We got Master, we got the spiritual master right here. We got Master Yogini. We have international speaker, law of attraction coach. I like this. Is perfect. This is right up this alley of this channel, you know, experiencing the abundance of money. Maybe we could do it with them through some NFTs. If you guys like this, leave some comments down below. Leave a lot of emojis like that. The YouTube algorithm will push this out to more people. If you're part of the community, or if you like what you guys see, then you guys should definitely be doing this. And we got a big team right here, and they're all docs, which is something that's very important. And we're going to start to see a lot more of that in 22. But when they got a whole team docs like this is pretty solid, okay? We got super creators, collaborations, and leaders. We have carefully selected 22 leaders to join us in our mission. These leaders have demonstrated that they are aligned to Super Creators' mission. Each of these leaders have spent years building themselves, spreading love, light, and positivity in the physical realm. They will now join our efforts to spread love and throughout the virtual. I like this. I definitely would tap in on one of these NFTs, because that's what this whole channel is about. You guys know what's up. If you're tapped in with me, if you guys been rocking with me for a while, that's what we've been doing on this channel. I want everybody to eat. There's enough for everybody, okay? So that's the end of this page for this. If you guys got any questions about this project or want to know more, tap in with the team. Have the team reach out to me. We can get another video out, do an update, maybe when they're going to release them. But let's make sure that we stay on top of this one. We don't miss a beat when it comes to the super creators, because we got utility, we have the NFTs, we have the chance to physical and metaverse type of classes. So there's a lot going on right here that will definitely keep the community engaged. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is.